Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Anna Ginipol M. Pimaluan from 2 St. Genevieve, representing the group. My co-members are Joan Gerson, Jessica Enriquez, Micaela Papa, Faye Castillo, Katrina Reyes, si Gian Semana, Gian Saratan. Our topic is all about what attitudes you can incorporate for you to improve your speaking skills. For me, like in singing, we must deliver every word in the lyrics of the song clearly and understandably so that the audience can appreciate it. Also in acting, we must deliver our lines. Conveying emotions accurately is also a good factor in practicing good speaking skills. There's only one thing or one way to remember in communicating to others. They must understand every word, every single word coming from your mouth in appropriate way in appropriate words. The keyword there is understand. Because each person can have good communication if they think understand each other. That's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rodno, representing the group of New Jersey Media. Our members are from class number 11, 25 to 28, 33, 41, and 45. Our topic is all about gaining confidence, adjusting characteristics to people, and mental ability. Communication entails a lot of skills and attitude which one must practice. Communicating with confidence takes a lot of time to master and achieve. Even notable famous speakers sometimes finds it difficult to speak in front of an audience. Adjusting to different people is also an important factor when you want to communicate well. To be a, we have to remember that those people are alike and we are all unique from one another. Understanding the differences with each people, including their characteristics, behaviors, and dispositions, will be an advantage for you in speaking. Mental ability also plays a big role when you want to communicate your ideas. To be a critical speaker, you must have to have enough knowledge, and as much as possible, you must have to be an authority when you're communicating with others. Otherwise, people will just sense that you have no idea what you're talking about. So practice hard and communicate with confidence. Thank you.
Good day everyone. I'm Maria Camille Ticar representing the group 4. My group mates are San Cadingan, Denise Terin, Irish Kalugay, Angelica Patiga, Charmaine Baez, Jasmine Tipurso, Jasmine Salapare, Evelyn Coloso. I'm going to explain the statement sound mind is in a sound body makes person productive. I think sound mind needs a strong and smart mind, while a sound body needs a healthy body. If a person has both, he will be able to do great things. But if a person is weak, he will not be able to put his ideas to use. Similarly, if a person is has a healthy body but a mind susceptible to temptation, he will not be able to put his body to work towards to a productive goal. Therefore, it is equally important for each person to develop both mind and body. That's all.
Hi everyone, I am Evelyn Libora, Icon Corta, the representative of Group 4. Our topic is difference in individuals' speaking skills. Speaking skills for customer service goes beyond the interaction, scripts the property of customer service. It will, it will introduce you the new level of customer service and excellence for customer satisfaction. Of course, you should practice speaking skills so that we can talk nicely and so that the person you're talking to will understand you. Especially when you are talking to an administrator, you should be formal in speaking. should always match our speaking skills to the person you're talking with. For example, if you're talking to a teacher, your parents, or relatives, you should use formal speaking. But if you're talking to a child, you can use informal speaking. That's all. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mariah Janine Umali, representing the group. My members are Felista Remoro, Laika Amat, Patricia David, Angeli Lazo, Deborah Ranieses, Angeline Piray, and Melenda Handale. Our topic is all about how the interviewer can make the interview believe that he or she can make waves just by verbal hints. An interviewer can make the interview believe that he or she can make the difference just by verbal means is filling out the questions clearly, calmly, and knowledgeable yet powerful way. You should also convince to encourage the interviewee to believe he or she can make waves to make a change. You also have to show the interviewee that you yourself are confident and sensible with what you're asking to have an efficient